Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well, so be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. You can see it guys. So step ladder, and that is the ladder. 1 2 3 4.
Fifth one is a tray to put
round.
four.
And
Fifth
then
one is not to step on, it's to put stuff on.
Oh, okay. So now, and I'm going to open from the bottom. So I'm going to tip it like this. It's heavy. I can't do it.
Just lay it down. Like
this.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. So don't show this.
Cut the tape.
So this
Not
is
the cardboard, just the tape.
very tall.
The knife down, so yeah, that's it. Put the knife away.
Okay.
And you have to tip it up again. You want me to come and lift it up?
Oh.
Lift it from the other end.
It's okay. 1, 2, ready me.
And this steady cook.
I'm strong.
Yeah, that's it. So pull up the cardboard slowly.
1, 2. Yes. Oh my gosh. It reached the bottom of the ceiling. Okay, hold on. Wow. Oh wow, look at the color, guys. Oh, I like this.
Yeah, save that because you have to put it back on to keep it dust free.
It's so cute. It's a feminine color.
Yes, that's for you.
Yeah, that's
Couple
right.
of the reviews said that those steps are plastic, so they won't take heavy weight anyway.
I'm not heavy.
No. I am, so I wouldn't dare step on it if it is plastic.
So this is okay for me.
It's a shame they didn't make the frame from aluminium, which would have been a lot lighter instead of metal.
Okay. So this is the instruction book. So anyway, we know what to do, even though without instructions. So
from the bottom. Maybe not from the steps, just the... Yeah, that's it from the frame. Careful not to get your hand caught in anything.
it's still quite heavy.
Yeah, because it's made from heavy metal.
It doesn't open because at the back it's tight.
You have to cut.
So it needs scissors. No, I cannot cut this with the knife. It's fine. Okay, so this needs to cut. Anak. Oh my lord.
Don't tell me it's broken.
How come?
Maybe it's broken. Oh, that goes on the top. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Just put it aside for the meantime.
Can you hold it for a minute? And then take this off. So let's open it. Okay. There. There. So it doesn't go right through the... Oh, so this one...
Yes, we'll probably have to refit it in here.
This one should go like that.
You have to take these off then. Pull them up, those plastic bits, yeah.
So this... So that is the thing. And then put it like this, and then there is a latch in here.
Oh yeah, so push it. Let's start as well.
Okay.
That's it.
There. And this one, so put tools in here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is very useful. I can put my drinks in here.
Yeah. You don't need it's just to climb up to
Yeah.
pick fruits from the trees and from trees and that.
Yeah, so this is like,
Change light bulbs if I haven't done it.
yeah, this is like a baby chair. You know that when the baby eats, like just put some stuff in there. But it's nice. I like this.
Is it fully open?
Yes, it is.
So step on it.
It is
And
fully
see.
open. My gosh, should I go in it?
Go all
One.
the way.
I could do this. Yes. Hello.
Don't need to go anymore.
So I can sit on it too. Oh wow. That's nice. Oh, it matches my dress. Wow, this is nice. I like my step ladder.
Good.
This is specially meant for me. This
Yes.
is really for me. Thank you so much, darling, for buying
Welcome,
this.
madam. It could come in useful.
Yeah. Because I'm going to use this in the garden, guys.
Yeah, you can use it inside, outside.
Yeah, because
Just make sure outside it's
flat.
flat, steady. If it's
Yeah.
wobbly, you have to put something underneath the foot that is not.
Yeah. This step is a bit wider. These are the same size,
Yeah.
but this is 1.5.
Yeah, tiny bit wider.
Yeah, a tiny
Tiny
bit, a quarter more.
Not wider, longer.
Yeah. So this is nice. I like the color. Love, love, love. Nice, nice, nice. Come on, baby, come. Come here. Baby, you want to come? Climb. Alright, okay guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's as tall as me. And it's very sturdy because this thing is a bit thicker.
Yeah, it's real metal, thick metal.
Yeah,
It's a shame
really
they didn't
metal.
make the steps from metal as well.
Yeah.
And aluminium rather than that type of metal, because this is heavy.
Yeah.
This type of metal. So it's
And
a
then
bit heavy
if-
for you to carry.
And then if I use it outside, I can put cling film in here on the foot,
Yeah.
so it doesn't get dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because that's what I do when I use the tripod outside, and I put cling film. So it's nice. It says domestic use.
Yeah, not for professional, not for business.
Yeah. So where's this made from?
Probably China. Have a look at the box. The box. Bottom of the box.
Ah! It's made in China.
Where else?
I thought made in the Philippines. Yes. Alright, okay guys, what do you think of my ladder? Step ladder.
Pretty in pink.
Pretty in pink. So okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara! Love, love, love.